So we're just gonna go ahead and bust the rest of this out. Apparently it's been busted out before. There's already scratches right here from salting. And here's some more cut marks right here actually. Ah, not the first time. See if we can take the encapsulation off. Alright. So we're just going to come over here, grab our cutting blades. Start with this one. Let's get some safety glasses. Alright, we're just going to find a way in. That looks good right here. Just trying to make myself a little handhold to where I can hold on to it. Be careful not to come too low. You don't want to scratch that. You don't want it to show. That right there, we could prime over that scratch. Just being careful to keep this off the vehicle. You don't want to rub it against the vehicle and scrape it. There it is. Before I go ahead and put the cutting blade away, gonna look for any flaps or any areas that need to be trimmed down even more. Look at that right there. All right, I like it. Next step, cleanup phase. So, paintbrush, one sheet, water. All right. Noticing some mildew on the top from this vehicle sitting up. So we're gonna clean that away just a little bit, this top part here, just so that we can get our tape to stick and hold the glass in place. Goodness gracious. Might need another rag. More scrape marks here from where the glass has been busted out before. Someone coming in using a reciprocal saw. Go ahead and clean around the body. So we're just going to remove a little bit of the tape. We just remove what's in our way. The rest will be left to the owner of the vehicle to clean up. Unfortunately, tape removal is not a part of our job. Alright, let's get that out of there. Alright, so looks good here. So now I'm going to go get the vacuum cleaner. We're going to get this thing vacuumed up. Need our extension cord. There's our new glass right there. Oh, extension cord's back here. Alright. Go ahead and plug that in. Alright, let's vacuum all this. I'm looking for a stick. You got a piece of glass stuck. Yeah, it worked. Get that blanket out of there. The blanket was mainly just to prevent it, glass from going down in between the seats. Glass was already busted out. And in between the seat a little bit, I just didn't want it to go any more than what it is now. Take that out. Trunk. Don't think there's gonna be much back here with what I saw it fell. Yeah, nothing. Alright. So we're done with the vacuuming. Now, primer phase. On these, you do not want to start on the bottoms because if it drips, it's going to run down in the paint. So, best place that I find is in the corner somewhere toward the top. Don't go top middle. You don't want to press too hard. All these scratches too, we're gonna go over. But right now, I want to get where my bead of glue is gonna be at. All right, so we got our bead of glue. Let's just go and help her out and get where these scratches are. Where some other shop working on this did not put down any primer. That's pretty deep. little drippage right there. Man. Alright. What's that? Okay. Alright, we look good now. So we're gonna go put the primer away. Prep our glue, let that dry, start prepping the glass. Okay, probably need one more tube, so we'll have it out on standby. There it is. We're ready. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop another thing of glue. All car parts going back to the dumpster. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and get all the stuff we need for prepping the glass. And I'm gonna need one suction cup. So with the glass being so small, no need to pull the stand out. It won't even fit on my stand. My stand's too wide. I don't want to adjust the legs. So I'm just gonna get a blanket, put the glass on the blanket, prep it there. I'm gonna put the urethane straight on this vehicle too. You'll see other people that put it on the glass. There's no wrong way, whichever you prefer. I'm just gonna be a little bit more comfortable putting it on the frame in some cases. Of course, this is a Jeep. Got a scraper. Don't know what that is on that glass. It's a brand new glass. There goes the tree. Alright, glass is prepped. Not in there. Suction cups on. Just gonna leave that right there. Yeah. Got some more glue, but I don't have enough to make it across in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and change over to the nip tube. I don't like tight spaces like this. I don't like disconnecting the glue line. I want to keep everything tight. I know it's on the bottom, but I'm sorry. I don't want to take that risk. All right, over here, instead of going to the bottom, you want to go on the top side. Reason for the top side is because if there's any water that does run along this channel, you don't want to get caught here and potentially get inside the vehicle. So we're going to keep our glue line top. There's a reason for the madness. Same thing here, glue you don't want it on this side because you want it to come down and be able to have this overlap to where water can't get in there. Now we're going to pancake it too, make it extra secure. But you know, just precautions you want to take. A lot of people are going to say, well, you don't have to worry about that, it doesn't matter. Well, you know, it's just a precaution because you never know. Maybe one day you forget to pancake, or maybe, you know, you didn't overlap it enough and water does get through. So just take those extra precautions there, and that'll guarantee a nice good seal with no water leak or anything. So glass is good. Let's go ahead and grab our tube. I don't want to get this on my tarp. Throw all this away. That tube in there for later. Alright, this guy's ready to go in. Go ahead and put our tape on there. Many ways you can do this. Easiest way I find, line up your corners. There they are. And then just set. Follow it in. Looks good. Just check and make sure everything and start pushing in. Don't want to push tight. You're not trying to flatten out the glue. Just make sure the glass is in there and touching your glue. That's it. A bounce right there. It should be good. That corrected the bounce. It's not bouncing as bad. So all I did was just wiggle it back and forth. Apparently there's a stopper right there that wasn't in position. And by wiggling it back and forth, that stopper, it wiggled up in there. Suction cups off. All right, now it's to clean the glass face, clean up my tarp, get that mess out of here. We're done. So guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day.